Russia has just deployed a massive weapon in the Ukrainian war that could change everything for both Russia and Ukraine. This is the Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik, a high-stealth drone with the potential to fire air-to-surface missiles at a distance of 260 kilometers. Just a week ago, the drone attacked the Sumy region in Ukraine and reportedly targeted the Ukrainian military facility. And according to reports, Russia plans to make a dozen more of this war machine. So what exactly is this drone? How can it shift the balance in Russia's favor? And what could it mean for Ukraine? Let's find out. The first prototype of this drone flew for the first time in 2019, mainly containing a non-stealthy exhaust. Later in 2021, sources confirmed that the Russian aviation plant Chkalov was producing 3 more prototypes of this hunter, which clearly showed that Russia was leveling up its drone warfare game. The second prototype was completed with more advanced aerodynamic enhancements and upgraded electronics. This improvement was the result of the first prototype and the lessons learned from it. The second prototype flight testing began in the summer of 2022. With so much speculation about these prototypes since then, it is possible that Russia has already deployed these 2 drones. This can be evident with 2 additional prototypes that went under production in 2021. According to reports, it is highly possible that those prototypes are either available to Russian forces, or perhaps they are already operating silently somewhere above the clouds. Recently, photographs of the S-70 Okhotnik went viral, sparking intense speculation that its deployment in the Russia-Ukraine war could signal a new era of drone warfare over Ukraine. What is even more alarming is that this drone was reportedly operating over the Sumy region, and shortly after, explosions were heard. This suggests that the drone might have targeted Ukrainian military facilities. Images of the Okhotnik were initially released by Ukrainian Telegram channels, and later by Turkish media outlets. Thus, it's reasonable to surmise that Russia may be gearing up for a significant escalation, particularly in its ongoing war with Ukraine. The S-70 Okhotnik was first built in the early 2000s to fight off the most advanced Western aircraft. The Okhotnik is built on the design elements of the F-22 Raptor, but with more advanced technological features and some unique touches. This impressive machine has an insane flying speed of up to 1,400 kilometers per hour at low altitudes. It has high-end avionics with powerful electronics and a radar warfare system. The S-70 can carry up to 4 upgraded Kinzhal hypersonic missiles and 8 KAB-250 guided floating bombs. Furthermore, it has the ability to neutralize radar systems using Kh-58 air-to-surface missiles, adding a significant threat level wherever it operates. Talking of its stealth, which is the core feature of this drone, the radar signature on the S-70 has been reduced massively, which allows it to escape the enemy radar systems without being detected. The drone is also equipped with radar-absorbing coating and other materials, allowing it to infiltrate a heavily fortified airspace system and even launch an attack. The real danger for Ukraine lies in the vulnerability of its weak air defense systems in the western regions. With a high-stealth drone like the Okhotnik in play, the chances of detection are virtually nil. This threat is exacerbated when the drone is paired with the Su-57 fighter jet, a multi-role aircraft capable of ground and maritime strikes as well as aerial combat. In such a combination, the S-70's power is amplified, potentially surpassing the capabilities of cruise missiles to strike deep within enemy territory. What's more interesting is the Okhotnik can be controlled by a Su-57 pilot. According to Andrei Yelkaninov, the first deputy chairman of the Russian Military-Industrial Commission, these 2 formidable war machines are set to not only collaborate but also form various types of combat formations, all under the control of a single Su-57 pilot in the near future. But the real question is, can the Ukrainian airspace detect this war machine? If the answer is no, then we will likely see Russia speeding up its drone production with the potential of mass destruction, which can lead to some very unfavorable consequences.